around to the end because I'm gonna be giving this design away. I will tell you exactly where to get it, how to get it, everything. So stick around. Hi guys.
Hello.
I'm Bethany.
I'm Avery.
And this is the Diamond Art Show. Today we have something super duper exciting. I've never done this before. Have you, Avery?
No, I haven't.
Okay. Do you want to tell them what we're doing?
I don't know what we're doing.
We're diamond painting on glass.
Mm-hmm.
Should we get started?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's get started. I went shopping at Dollar Tree for this frame because really all we need is the frame and the glass. Just unpackage everything, and the first thing we're gonna do is glue this glass in place because there's not gonna be a backer. So I glue this and I let it set for an hour. This design is free. Comment below and I'll give you the download link. I trim around the pattern and I use the mat that came with the frame to make sure it's perfectly centered. Then tape it in place, you don't want it moving. I outlined the front of the frame with tape because I don't want the glue going outside the pattern. Story time! I absolutely love homemade gifts. There's one in particular that is so special to me, and it's from my friend Melody. She worked at McDonald's for as long as I can remember, and we had little boys that were about the same age. I used E6000 for this because it is a permanent hold. It also dries clear. And it's fairly easy to work with. If your drill gets out of place, you can easily slide it back. Here you see me removing the tape before the glue dries. I don't want to glue the tape in place. So I just go around the entire border first. I'm not sure this is the best course of action, but it's the way I did it. I met her at a play date for kids. It was at like a family resource center. I thought there would be other moms there like me, moms that didn't have a lot of money on level ground. Nobody would be higher than anybody else. It was all of these rich, snooty moms. I'm a messy crafter, so I got some glue on the glass. The great thing about this glue is it's kind of rubbery at first, and so you can get it off the glass, which is awesome. Since I did the border first, if I didn't have them exactly spaced right, what happened is when I got to the end, I might not have had enough room for a drill to go in that spot. So don't be like Bethany. Make sure you go in full complete lines. For instance, do line 1, then line 2. Even though you have to go back and forth between colors, it's just gonna make sure everything is spaced properly in the end. I could have saved myself some trouble doing that, but I'm lazy, you guys. I didn't fit in. There was another mom there who didn't fit in, and that was Melody. I loved her. I loved her even more, and Melody was always so good to me. Do you guys know I love making gifts? I made her Coca-Cola pot holders. If you go back in my videos, you can find a video from like 4 years ago where I showed y'all how to make the blue jean pot holders. Before I moved, Melody gave me a homemade gift. And I have it, it's displayed in my studio. And it means so much to me. And this is what it is. She did a cross stitch that says friends. And it's not huge, you know, I think she said she could make this in one evening. But it was so special that she would consider me a friend. I want to make this, and maybe give it to somebody else who needs a friend. Comment below and I will send you the link of where you can download this free printable design so you can make one for your friends. What time is it, Avery?
Well, it's sticker time.
Sticker time! What do we got today?
Got a doghouse. A little doghouse.
Oh, isn't that cute? I love it. Everything animal related, I'm obsessed with. Well, here's our board. It's kind of big and awkward. Someday this is going to hang on the wall to display all of Avery's beautiful stickers. There we go. Thank you so much for joining us today. It's always fun to have you here with us. We count you as friends, and we love you.
Yep.
Bye-bye.
Bye.